Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I have come up with the new video about NPTEL, how to cancel NPTEL examination. So earlier I have provided one video that how to cancel NPTEL examination that was based on previous notice, but this is after updation about modified certificate as well as the arrested assignment score sheet. So how to download modified pass certificate and arrested. Regarding download of modified pass certificate and arrested assignment sheet, I have provided this video. Big day of updates from NPTEL on June 19 about January to April 2020 exam, how to download certificate plus score sheet. So you can follow it and download the certificate, right? And I have also provided this video regarding what is unprotected exam cancellation and what would be the pattern of programming subject. So those you can get there, and if you wish to enroll the new subject in this semester, June to December 2020 semester, then you can go through. So I have suggested how you can select the best courses from NPTEL and how you can also get NPTEL domain certificate as well as how you can get NPTEL star certificate. I have already completed 14 NPTEL courses, so based on my experience I have shared the genuine information with full detail. With length of video you can understand I have provided sufficient information you require there. If you feel the video is long, then please you watch video at high speed, you make 1.5 or 2, but you watch full video so you can collect full information. Now coming to cancellation of examination. So NPTEL has still not provided or not sent any mail or notification in the course. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow NPTEL will send, but the update has been uploaded on the NPTEL site. So as I have wrote so many examination, I have so many idea and the clue about the NPTEL. That's why I found this cancellation link earlier to NPTEL notify you. So how you can cancel? Please you watch this video and go on and cancel it. The last date of cancellation is 26 June according to this notice. So as you can see here, something is scrolling when you go through nptel.ac.in NOC. So I will provide this link in the video description as well as in comment section, so you can go through. And this is the scrolling, the new update is scrolling. I will open this update and I will show you how you can go and cancel your exam, right? So I am going to open. You can see here NPTEL January to April 2020 examination. Click here to see latest update, right? So I am going to see the latest update. In latest update you can see here Digger Learner, the assignment score sheet and modified pass certificate. If you are eligible for it, for all exam register courses has been generated. Not only generated, already notified by the NPTEL through your mail. So I am saying that you can go and watch this video and download those certificates, right? And coming to the second, how to assess candidates login. So already I have provided those all link in the video description, you can go through. And the average assignment score is calculated. Please check out then how the modified certificate assignment score is calculated. You can go and check out the modified pass certificate. If your score is greater than equal to 40, then which also one condition of the certificate eligibility. So you will get certificate and we will issue modified certificate. So already this certificate has been issued and which score is less than 40. For them, the modified pass certificate has not been issued, right? And there is some course, there is exception like such courses at Health Research Fundamental, Managed TV, BCBR, and Introduction to Programming through C++. So their score is modified pass certificate. Their calculation score calculation is a bit different. Right, as you know, for coming to the programming through C++, an introduction to programming through C++. Here, the unprotected programming examination or online programming test, there is no such category there. There is actually assignment score is 50 marks, 25 for quiz and 25 for programming. So that's why that is exception. That is, these mentioned courses are the exception. You can go and check when you log in the candidates page. Already I have shown those detail in this video. You can go and watch if you have enrolled in this certificate, in these courses. And note, the modified pass certificate will not be counted towards domain as well as domain completed course. And also similarly, we will not issue any AICTE, NPTEL, FDP certificate also based on modified pass certificate. So from beginning itself, I am telling that the NPTEL will not count this modified pass certificate toward domain certificate as well as FDP certificate. Right. If you want your subject to be counted, then you have to appear for the examination. Right. So for query, you can go through as announcement earlier. There will be no dispatch. So already NPTEL is announcing that the NPTEL will not send any hard copy. Earlier in the previous semester, previous, the fee was NPTEL per course fee was 1100, and NPTEL used to send the hard copy. But from last semester, the NPTEL is last 2 semester, the NPTEL is not providing hard copy, and also the fee is reduced to 1000 rupees. So the same thing will be, announcement will be continued, and there will be no hard copy. Also the certificate publication link for social media is currently disabled. So actually the NPTEL was earlier one separate organization, but now it is merging to the Swamya, including 7 to 9 different other online platform is combining there. So for now there is no link, so you can post on your social media like LinkedIn. You can't for now. The NPTEL will, in future, the NPTEL will enable those things. Right. Regarding examination fee, which had paid for January to April examination, right? So there is 2 options you have. One, you wish to write exam, other is you wish to cancel and take refund. So for option 1, there is NPTEL has not reached on any particular decision. You can see here NPTEL is planning to conduct January to April semester examination online, remote, protected, and or in personal examination. So I hope you know logical and or. So here NPTEL is still now again they are planning, they are again reviewing about whether they can conduct online remote protected examination or not. So NPTEL is thinking about, they are again, in earlier notice the NPTEL had cancelled and postponed to conduct examination through online remote protected, but now again NPTEL is revising the things, and again they are reconsulting whether it is possible or not. And maybe the NPTEL will come up with the both platform that some people can write who have facility to write from home online remote protected, then those people can write, and some people have no facility, then they can appear on center and write. Or the NPTEL will come up with any one option, completely online or completely center based. So NPTEL has still doubt, you can see here, and on or. So there is doubt at all. There NPTEL has not came on any decision so far. In future NPTEL will come, I will make video and supply you the information. So please you subscribe the channel so you will get notification as soon as the NPTEL will provide information on it. So in coming days, and those all following the government guidelines, the NPTEL will decide. If you wish to write examination whenever it will conduct, we will retain the fee you had paid earlier. So NPTEL is telling when you select the first option, NPTEL will conduct the examination and they will select any mode based on government guidelines. So that may be remote protractor examination, online examination or center based. Whenever it will be possible, NPTEL will conduct and your paid fee will be retained whenever it will conduct. So inform you as well when we plan to conduct, means the NPTEL will give you notification when they will conduct examination for the subject you have registered. So NPTEL will notify you. You will also informed of the mode of examination and date. So what mode of examination that will be online remote protracted examination or in personal examination is center based examination, or when the exam will be, the NPTEL will notify you. At that point, if you are unable to write examination, you will not allow to cancel and registration or take your refund. So if you are selecting first option, then at that time of examination, whenever NPTEL will conduct examination and you are unable to attend examination at that point of time, then in that case NPTEL will simply consider you absent and you will not get any type of refund, right, or cancellation of your registration. So NPTEL is mentioning by choosing option 1, you are agreed that if I choose exam and I am absent for it, or I don't pass the exam based on NPTEL criteria, I will not get certificate or refund. So maybe also NPTEL will change some criteria, whatever the modification will be done or made by those people in the future. And if you are unable to attend the examination or pass examination whenever NPTEL will conduct, then you will not able to get any certificate or refund fee when you select the option 1. So you can see here these all information belong to option 1. So this implemented to this rule implies to the option 1. Now coming to the option 2, if you wish to cancel and take refund, then in case you don't want to write examination of NPTEL course offered in January to April semester 2020, please choose this option. If you don't want to write examination, right, in previous semester. Now already this semester is started, so I have to tell previous semester. In this case, you will get 80% of your fee paid earlier. So 80% you will get. Already I am telling from the first video that 20% the NPTEL will cut towards their administration charges and other things like modified pass certificate, assignment, score sheet. So those all things the NPTEL will cut those fees. So if you have paid 1000 rupees, you will get 800 rupees. If you are from ST/SC, you have paid like 500, then you will get 400, right. So I hope I am clear. You also hereby agree that even if we organize the examination on later date, you will not permit to write the examination. So NPTEL is mentioning that once you select the option 2, when the NPTEL, whenever, maybe the next week, next month, whenever the NPTEL will conduct examination, you are not eligible to write the examination. The same way, when you select the option 1, then whenever the NPTEL will conduct examination, if you can't reach the center or you can't pass the subject, then you will not get refund. So I hope these 2 points, remind these 2 points. For first option this point, and for second option this point, you remind it, right. So based on this, you decide what is the favorable condition for you, whether you want to write examination or cancel the examination, right. there is no certainty about when the NPTEL is going to conduct the examination. It may be next week, next month, after 2 months. I can't say anything at all. There is no official information regarding the date. Last date to fill the form. So last date to update about your examination or cancellation, option 1 or 2 you have to update. So that is June 26 and 12 p.m. So right now there is June 20, so you have 1 week time to decide and fill up the form. If you don't fill the form before the given deadlines, so if you are unable to fill the form before June 26, then by default the NPTEL will retain your exam fee and will expect you will write exam on later date as explained above. So if you don't update your form, then NPTEL will by default consider that you are going to write the examination. In earlier notice, NPTEL was telling that by default you will consider that your exam has been cancelled. But here the NPTEL has come up with the new thing that your exam will be considered as you are going to write. So this is the problem. That's why I recorded the video before the NPTEL notify you. Because you are my subscriber, you are following my, so this is my duty to give you information on time, so you can take the advantage and you don't miss and you don't have to suffer, right? Like here, due to this problem, some of people may not get information, may not check their email, and after 1 week those people are feel like that they had no other option. They have by default the NPTEL will give them option 1, but finally they can't appear on the exam center or they can't write examination. So at that time their money will go waste. That's why I am providing this video, and it is my sincere request to you, please share this video with all your friends, colleagues, so they will also take advantage of my video recording on time. And they will also take advantage and they will definitely appreciate you for sharing the information, right? So regarding cancellation form, I am going to cancel the examination. I am just going to demonstrate. I am just going to show you how you can cancel, right? So click on this link. I will also provide this link on the video description, so you can directly go through. So the same information is repeated here, right? So I will not read it out. And the same notification is here, 26th Friday, 12 p.m. is the last date, right? And for cancellation you have to click here. You can see, click here. So you have to click here, right? Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it. So last semester I had registered to write 2 examination. Already I passed. I wrote examination on June 4th for enhancing soft skill and personality courses. So those courses has been removed from here. So those all things has been done from the NPTEL side, and now it is time for us to complete the process, and this is completely the fresh thing and completely set of environment. So you can select your option. So I don't want to actually refund. Please, you follow the instruction and you read out, you click on and you submit. I don't want to click and submit because I want to write the examination. You can understand, if I go and click there and if something will happen, then I will go in trouble, because this is my domain course, one of domain course. Anyhow I want to complete this course, so by this semester I can learn 2 more courses, and within the given period of time I will get domain certificate. The reason, subscriber, I am not going to demonstrate how to cancel. If someone of you cancel your examination, then please you share the step in video description. I hope you are intelligent enough, you click and submit and follow the instruction, the things will be happen. So let me check it out. Okay. So for this, the same way you can select this option and choose this and submit. Right. So I am submitting. So you can see here CT changes of NPTEL examination successfully updates. So this has been updated. So you can see here even after cancellation you will get updates, right? So maybe coming days, within 1 or 2 days, the NPTEL will also do some modification, like when you going and selecting like online remote protected examination or on in personal examination. Maybe NPTEL ask about select the city exam city, so you can change your city. So maybe those things will be involved, or those things will be taken. So you have to follow the procedure. And the NPTEL is right now not sending any mail on cancellation or selecting option 1 or 2. So maybe in future the NPTEL will also mention the some email notification, so you will get notification. So I will provide those all details in the comment section if NPTEL will implement any new updates, right? And regarding NPTEL will ask any new bank account or not when you cancel the examination. So guys, there is no official information till date on that regard the question. So if NPTEL will talk about adding any bank information to get refund or any other information, then I will definitely record one small video or I will update in the comment section. So you need not to worry. Then please you feel easy to share your experience in the video description so other will get here. So thank you very much, and please you do subscribe the channel. And to enroll the best course in this semester, you watch these 3 videos. So how to become NPTEL star, and how you can get domain certificate, and how you can select the best courses from NPTEL. You watch this video and select the best courses and continue your learning. So this is best time. You are on holidays, you can learn these courses, right? And you can get domain certificate as well as a star certificate. So this is all about the today videos. And please you don't forget to share this video, inform your colleagues, so they will definitely thank you for sharing the information, right? And please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share the video, and please stay safe, stay happy, stay learning, and stay tuned with my channel for the latest update regarding NPTEL, and also for answer of solution of different courses in the coming semester. So have a good time, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.